Our top story, a historic Lafayette building that once provided healthcare services to the community is back in use for the first time since 2016.
That's right. The former Lafayette Community Health Care Clinic is now the Ochsner Lafayette General Community Health Center. News 15's Kenny Dar spoke to residents in the area to get their reactions. Kenny?
That's right, Jeff Taylor. I'm currently in the neighborhood of Freetown, Puerto Rico, where this new Ochsner Healthcare Center is located. And residents I spoke to in the area say that this new center will go a long way in helping people get the healthcare services they need.
I do think having access and I guess the right for healthcare is really important.
A lot of stumbling block for most people is actually having that access.
Located at 1317 Jefferson Street, the Ochsner Lafayette General Community Health Center officially began seeing patients Monday in the newly renovated building.
It'd be great for students who live on campus who may not have access to transportation to be able to walk in, to be able to get situated with whatever medical necessity they need.
The building, which once served as St. Anne's Infirmary and more recently the Lafayette Community Healthcare Clinic, was a $3 million renovation project supported by Ochsner Lafayette General along with other corporate support. CEO of Ochsner University Hospitals and Clinics, Katie Abair, saying Monday, "We're so happy to be part of this neighborhood."
I think that's fantastic. I think too often people don't access healthcare when they need it, and so I think making it more accessible in the area could help promote better health and for people to stay on top of their health and well-being.
The new center features 12 exam rooms, an x-ray room, a blood drawing and infusion room, and a treatment for minor procedures. Patients can also use the center for primary or overall health care.
If it was a small clinic and it was only a niche, well then if I'm needing something that's not fitting there, then I still don't have access to general well-being health care. And so I think the fact that it's broader will really benefit the community so that they can have access to whatever they need.
It's like, oh, I'm just an orthopedic, or I'm just a ear, nose, and throat. It's like, well, I may need primary care. So basically, to short answer your question, I think it's very useful and necessary.
Now, it should be noted that this is not an urgent care facility, but some of the services that are provided include screenings for cancer, counseling for those who smoke, as well as those with diabetes. Reporting live in Lafayette, Kenny Dar, News 15.
Thank you, Kenny. Now, a second center is planned for the Lafayette area, according to Kevin Green, Vice President of Clinic Operations for Ochsner Community Health Center. However, a specific location was not given.